Namaste students, let us start with the next method of calculating goodwill, that is super profit methods. Super profit means the excess of normal profit which a firm is earning, right? Average profit indicates the actual profit earned by the firm. Normal profits indicate कि सपोज एक इंडस्ट्री में एटलीस्ट इतना प्रॉफिट तो हर फर्म को अर्न करना ही चाहिए, वो होता है नॉर्मल प्रॉफिट्स. और यू मे से द प्रॉफिट विच इज रिक्वायर्ड फॉर द सर्वाइवल ऑफ द फर्म, राइट. सो जब आप नॉर्मल से एक्सेस अर्न करते हैं ना, सो दैट बिकम्स योर सुपर प्रॉफिट. सो इट मीन्स द फॉर्मूला इज, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल कैलकुलेटिंग गुडविल इज सुपर प्रॉफिट इनटू नंबर ऑफ ईयर्स परचेज्ड. Now, how to calculate super profit? That is actual profit earned by the firm, that is average profit minus normal profit. कि इससे normal से आप कितना ज़्यादा actually earn करते हैं, that is your super profits. Correct? So now let's solve a question based on this topic. Read the statement. Statement is the capitals of Anuj and Venu is 10 lakh and the market rate of return is 15,000. See, the capitals are 10 lakh. Now, the next topic which you need to understand here is how to find out the normal profits. Normal profits will be find out using the formula capital employed into normal rate upon 100. Now, as in this question, the capital employed is given to you 10% and the normal rate of return is given to you in the question is 15%, right? So it means if I take out 15% of this, it becomes 1,50,000. This much at least a firm should earn in order to survive in the market. But how much the firms are actually earning? It is also mentioned in the question that profits for the last 3 years. In the last 3 years, firm earned rupees 3 lakh. In the second year, firm earned 3,60,000. In the third year, firm earned 4,20,000. Right? So it means that firm has earned a profit of rupees total this much, and the average becomes 3,60,000. Now in the question, one more thing is mentioned to you very clearly. If you could read it, that we need to give salary to our partners, and the amount of the salary is 60,000 each, annual salary. Now as you can see that there are only 2 partners, so 60,000 into 2 is 1,20,000. So 1,20,000 is a normal expense, so we are going to subtract it from the average profits directly, so it becomes 2,40,000. So now super profits is equal to average profit minus normal. Actually you are earning 2,40,000. For survival only 1,50,000 is required. It means that you are earning 90,000 more, so it becomes your super profits. And the number of year purchase given to you in the question is 2, so multiply it with 2. So 1,80,000 becomes a value of the goodwill on the day when the new partner has joined. So I hope this point is also clear to you. Let's move on to the next topic.